sorry. I don't want to wake you.
No. Come here.
You know what? Can we just go to bed?
Yeah.
Hey, surprise, it's Kylie. What's happening, guys?
Hi, Kylie.
Bad time? Am I interrupting something?
No, I mean, it's almost midnight.
Sorry, I was just in the neighborhood. Just got back from my date with Claire, the bookstore girl. It didn't go well. Due to a lack of chemistry and I think an overuse of profanity on my part. But whilst on my date, I ran into Rachel.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I would like to present Exhibit Whore! Look at it. That's Rachel. And that's a fucking dirty little Jesus-looking motherfucker. And they're kissing. Oh, I did it. I fucking nailed you. I have hated you for months. And now I have evidence that you suck as a person. Nothing? You two should probably talk about this.
You're cheating on me.
No. Yes.
Seriously.
Look, Ada, you don't know how hard it's been, okay? You've been so sick and shit, and you're the one who told me that Kylie uses your cancer to get girls, okay? So how am I the bad guy?
Maybe because you're her girlfriend and you cheated on her while she has cancer, you fucking lunatic.
Okay, we've had problems long before you got sick, okay? You know that. Look, can we just
Then
go to bed?
why are you here? Why do you spend every night in my bed?
I didn't want to abandon you, you know? Let's talk about this tomorrow, okay?
I can't stand in the kitchen any longer. You need to get out of here. You're making this way too uncomfortable for everyone. Just leave.
Ada, we'll talk about this tomorrow.
No,
okay?
you won't. You won't talk about it tomorrow.
Ada, I care about you, okay?
Oh,
you know
you're
that.
reprehensible.
All right, well, you just shut up, okay? Okay, Kylie doesn't have your best interest, okay?
Oh, I don't? Because I'm pretty sure I'm not the one that got caught making out with some disgusting hippie.
Fuck you.
You're disgusting.